Where is my camera? What? Okay. Let's get some music on. Uh, okay. Okay. Did I get my audio working? Ah! Oh, please. Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay, that's good. Kinda sounds terrible. Why is my audio quality so bad? Audio quality so bad. Oh, whatever. Okay. What were we doing? Um, right. Okay. Oh, my stream is private. It's probably pretty good. So, what we're doing right now, dude, this audio is so bad. Oh, there's my audio. Yes. Yes. What? Oh. Yes, that sounds good. Okay. Hello, hello. Okay, a little loud. This is hard and stuff. Okay, sure. Okay, so I should probably label this so my boy doesn't get confused. So this file outputs a file creates a matrix that we will use in the future to calculate loss. One. It also contains a tool to track what country a given point is going. So we can given point Wait, so why do we want to know what country a point is in? To This is useful to process our street view data. It is not labeled with country, but rather okay. I think this is enough arguments, probably. This is quite. Let's on for comments. What communities do we want? This file was approximate sentence of each country to get a rough idea of this. I forgot what this does. Okay. So it's built in DF. Get only filter from calculator. I think it's probably better with this. take square root to. This is an arbitrary. This is a educated guess to what will this make possible. And this is my code. Else. Okay. In terms of this function, we don't to stratify. We have limited access to street view images because we are poor. So we need to stratify our sampling quite carefully. Too much. And it's too small in small countries. Very little intuitive power. Too much weight in small countries. And it's too big countries. Will be too diverse. We are definitely what was it? Okay, so I was to get an approximation of how diverse the country is. I think it is reasonable. I think it's reasonable to do a measure of population times area. Use room, so all needs to connect. However, we noticed use ports. Then add a temperature current constant in order to wait, what's this? Yeah, this squeeze. Oh, it squeezes. Okay, yeah. Wait, softmax. Softmax was. Alright, this is the thing with the. Softmax. Alright, so this is more punishing. Wait, what? Where's both of this? Oh, whatever. I just assume that okay. Well, first derivative of this is always positive. Second derivative is downwards, meaning that this difference is not as much as this difference. So why does this matter more? Hmm. Why does soft have valid limits on average? Oh, well, to be fair, yeah, this is probabilities, so this is fine. Okay, I don't really know. Okay. Cool. So basically I just need data of country, area, and population. So I can pretty much reuse this. I could have abstracted this into a function. Oh no, it's fine. It's good. Country, population. I think this should be fine. How many countries did we have again? Always 105. Well, we will have to filter and see if that changes later. I'm really curious what the other columns are. We don't really care about these. What if we just got a cleaner data set? Okay. World population.csv. Ah, this is the wrong file. Oh. Oh, we can just use this. This is better. Don't have too many files in my drive. but it's expected this is not the best solution. Okay, well, anyways, I'm going to. I don't care. It's not files. File dump. And then, so what do we need? Probably just find the last thing that went from this things. Yo, it's good.
Yo, do you want anything from me?
From wheat? When are you gonna order?
Like, I mean, I'm at $30 bucks right now, and I need to add some more money in order to get no delivery.
Okay, I'll look real quick. I'll send you a text like 5 minutes. Alright, thanks. Okay, well, I just got a call, and apparently we're being tapped today. So, oh, hey, I found it. I did this with a loss. I think it's this. Yeah, I believe it's this. Wonder if this will just run now. How do I get the tab? What? How do I connect threaded files to like proj? Let me one of these jobs. Okay, that is it. Back to working on this thing. Oh, sorry. What? How am I gonna train it? Um, Pretty much the way it works is OpenAI has a. Here, it's called Clip. They have a pretty much a transformer that can extract like features, like kind of information out of an image. So pretty much I'm taking it and then breaking into it and taking the very last part of it and then tuning it on a bunch of street view data, and that should be able to output a um pretty much it classifies it like given the info it sees in the image, it's able to classify that into a bunch of different countries and assign like probabilities to them. Like I can show you um let me see. Yeah, I had a little test I had here, and you can see I think I didn't give it the image, but see here, like it'll output like Slovakia this percent, Bulgaria this percent. And I mean, it's a bit difficult to actually like have it pinned down a place because generally AIs are just better at like classifying than generating like a exact point on the Earth. Especially when you go to like cities like you go to like I don't know like Los Angeles for example, like downtown is only like a mile away from like some like random like suburb or forest, right? And they look very different, so it's really hard for an AI to have like a that granular an understanding of the world. So I'm just doing countries because I'm not like as smart as these like graduate students at some universities. So yeah, I'm also only supporting a select set of countries. It's like 105 countries. Yeah, that pretty much sums it up. What I'm doing right now to explain is we need to feed the AI a certain like sample of data from different countries, and I kind of explained it here in text. If you put too much photos in big countries, then the small countries won't have enough data to like actually for the AI to actually learn it. And if we, sorry, a second. In small countries, if you kind of give all of them equal weight, then the big countries will be kind of big. Like the U.S. has like so many different regions, right? It's low key like 6 countries under one trench coat. So I'm trying to figure out like a ratio we use to calculate like how many images we put in each country. Right. So I was sourcing. Right, I was connecting my Google Drive to this because every time you close this code window, it like nukes your files. So that's pretty bad. Here, where was my? Oh, right, it was this other file. Yeah, pretty much. I'm like kind of unemployed right now, so I'm trying to get some projects on my resume and trying to learn some employable skills. Oh, wait, would this work? Oh, well, I need to show it a directory now. Weird. Oh, how to make Google Collab keep your files. Is it this? But maybe I just can't have like a space in my name because it's getting mad at me for that. deployment out here. Slash my drive slash. I wonder if this works. I wonder if this works. Oh wait, so I did get it to import earlier, so I wonder if I just... Yeah, this should appear in here. Drive. Oh, it's my drive without a space. So. Wait, there's like a space in it. Like, what do you want me to do? What? Okay. Can this work? Yeah, that is going into the generative AI. Okay. I don't like that it accesses my entire like Google Drive every time, but but then I have a friend I'm working on the project with, and I wonder if he can access these files, because I suspect he can't. Oh, it can't be this deep. Oh. Whoa. Okay, whatever. I am going to... Is it this deep? Do I care about having like good practice? Not really. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore this and then just keep looking. So we have this world population file here. We also need what do I want? Population area. But ideally we get those both in one data set. I don't think this has both. It'd just be simple to have both. Oh, it doesn't area. Why? Wait, I didn't download the version that had area, did I? Like maybe like selecting it here like has like manifest in your... Yeah, oh wait, I can just deselect all. Just do a country name and there we go. And population 2022 is fine. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, that's great. This is a very good file for me to use. So nuke this. And hey, no, not this one. Okay, so how do you open the file again? Just alright, read some CSV. I can probably reuse a lot of code from here. Oh, of course I need supported countries as well, which is a file I use to specify what file or what countries like I even have coverage of. I should just parse this the same way. What are the transposes? I don't know, whatever. Yeah. Cool. Let's just print the head of this. See. What did I give it? So I didn't mean to download all that, actually. Why did it download all of this? Oh, this is just the display, I guess. Whatever, I'll just filter. I should turn this thing. Okay. Mm. Df equals df. How do I slice this efficiently? We want the entry. We want the populate 2022. Oh, I hope this works. Oh. Yeah, that looks good to me. df equals... Okay, so this inside df is... When you slice... Can you select those two? How does syntax do Okay. Oh, okay, so it just guesses. Okay, that's tough. Is in supporting countries. Does this even work? It does. Okay, wait. Supporting countries was this. Transpose it because it comes like this, it goes this, and we want to filter over that. It's in 0. Okay, yeah, that works. That works. Oh, we could have disputed it as well, but that's fine. Yeah, dot head. Okay. Now we have a DF with reported countries, population, area, audience, and make. Okay. Whoa, we really need a. That is like. We need to like log this or something. To be fair, like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, I think I'm gonna square root the area. How to. Oh, we can just do pandas? Not square root? I hope this works. Okay. Kind of getting a really bad sense of this because we have Andorra and American Samoa, which are like really tiny. How to print first? Can we just like print? Yeah. I don't. Okay, this is better, I guess. US gets 1,000. That kind of sounds reasonable, actually. I don't hate this. Russia got a lot. Romania got a big guitar. But I don't hate these numbers, actually. Nigeria's populated. Oh, I wonder if we can adjust by like GDP. Is that like classes or something? Like, because like it makes sense. Nigeria should have less coverage than America because it's like they're just not going to cover like the rural parts of it because their user base just is going to be more American on average. I don't hate these numbers though. Mexico, yeah, maybe a little more, I'd say. Oh. Yeah, I actually like these numbers. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna divide these by the sum. So equals np dot sum. I'm hoping this works. Oh, there we go. I think that's how you do that. And df, yeah. So we're gonna average over these and. For readability, I'm gonna. That's not what I meant to do. How do I? Oh, whatever. It's fine. So these are percentages of how much they're gonna get. So US gets 7% of it. Most get like 1%. Like the average country should get like around 1% because we have 100 countries. Okay, and now we can just add a temperature term. Hmm. Just for readability, I'm gonna divide by 1,000. Think about 180 sounds about right. Yes, though.
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, I got numbers I don't hate.
For what? The population? Oh, like
you
the
know what, let's show
stratifying?
you.
Wait, that's good, because I realized the stratifying takes a lot more work than I realized. Like, not work,
I
but like,
didn't put
it's,
that much work.
it's a good amount of extra work. Huh?
I put that much work.
Wait, so what
Yeah.
is it? Okay.
Okay, so I
Wait,
normalized.
that's really good.
Yeah, let's just look at it and see if it makes sense. Malaysia's kind of low actually. Wait, hold on. Madagascar and Malaysia do not make sense. Oh, whatever. Well, that's because Madagascar is big. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, if you look at like the really small places, the minimum you get is like 0.005, which is 1/200th of the data. And we have 100 countries, so these are half weighted. Whereas you go to the US is like, it has like 4x the data of a regular country. The UK has about average. UAE is like under. Ukraine's average. Uganda's average. Turkey's average. We got a lot of average countries here. Like somewhere like Singapore is like hella people, but it's small, right? So it gets like.
Where's Russia?
Russia got a good amount as well. Yeah, it gets 3x in a normal country.
Okay.
And I already took the square root. So what I did is, I took the square root of area, multiplied it by population, and then added the temperature term.
Yeah.
If you want to see, I'll show you without temperature. You get like this is like Monaco got nothing. So basically what I did is, I took a kind of a Fermi estimate, and I figured that the U.S. should have about 6 times as much coverage as like the world's like zero score country, like smallest country, and I got
okay.
like 7 times. So yeah.
Wait, that's pretty good. Damn. Wait, good math on that. I was gonna show you what,
tuned it.
like,
Yeah, go on.
Wait, no, my shit is like right now. I was like basically just trying to, cause like, dude, I have to like, I was trying to vibe code like the points because like I got it to work, cause, dude, the Geo Panda shit, like it's like an entirely different library. It's like the same as if I was trying to learn PyTorch, so it's like kind of complicated, but like it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Here, choose a country.
Oh, yeah, I love demos. I will choose. Let's go Ukraine.
Okay. Look, if we run it, not that, but it basically generates.
This is good sampling, dude.
Yeah. Wait, it's the the random sampling is really good actually. Did I accidentally print the whole thing? Oh, shit. Let me remove that.
Wait, this is cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, whatever. It's fine. But like, yeah, basically, to explain like how it works, bro. Okay, these first few cells, basically, there's like different naming, like there's different naming conventions, and what we have and like the GeoPandas, like they still have like Eswatini as Swaziland, which is why this code is just like converted.
I didn't filter that yet.
I think you might have ran into the same. Didn't you run into the same thing, like the?
I did, yeah.
Swaziland
But I just manually changed it.
Oh yeah, I manually changed it too. Like I had to go through like.
No, I mean I went into CSV and wrote the names.
Wait, that's low-key chill. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it isn't that.
I mean, I mean, this also works, and then after that, this is like the beef of the code. I wrote this, so basically, you have, given the geometry / polygon of a country, you could give it its minimum like max latitude, longitude, and then it basically just throws a dart, and it makes sure it ensures.
Wait, what's the math behind that? It's like some game dev kind of thing, right? It's similar to like collision detection in game dev. Wait, that's so cool! Like bounding boxes.
Well, yeah, it's just like bounding box shit, and it like we have like a max attempts, but like you try to basically throw it, and if the geometry is contained within the point, then you could use that
This is very tough code. I enjoy this.
Yeah, like the vibe code is low-key tough. Like, okay, like I was not coming up with this shit on my own, bro. I'm not gonna.
No, you definitely could have. It doesn't look complex. It's just like the library.
Like I could think about the code, but I don't know how to. Like, I don't know what like geometry.bounds is like really, like chill. Like I didn't know that.
That's trivial. That's required thinking. Or that doesn't require like you just gotta know. Like that's all.
Yeah, you just gotta know. If you don't know the library, you gotta look it up. It's chill. So yeah, yeah, and then this is generating, like, point. This is throwing just like 1 point, but like this is like calling the function multiple times, getting the points for like a country. So this is just for one country, by the way. So here you could see like it, like, I mean, this is also cool. If you want to look at like this, you could see here, like if we go to this lat long.
Wait, that's similar latitude to California. Okay, never mind. It
How
was
do you know
far
that
east.
shit, bro?
31 is around Cali.
Okay, Baton Rouge, yeah. So like, yeah, we're in like, oh wait, oops.
Yeah. Wait, I also knew Fukuoka same
Yeah.
as us. So,
No, yeah,
so
I
that's-
got, it's like, it's
cool.
super cool, bro. And it works for any country because the GeoPandas library provides like the bounding blocks. It's like super sick.
Oh,
But then yeah, and then
wait.
this is
So
just using
we have
Matplotlib.
two implementations that look because you can use GeoPandas to do your country thing, but I made a function to tell you what country the point is in. But you can use that too if you want. It doesn't matter.
Well, oh, I guess. I mean, I think it's. I mean, I think.
I wasn't aware GeoPandas could do that. That's cool.
Yeah, and then like. Yeah, and obviously since these are random points later on, I'm gonna provide it with like I'm gonna provide it with the latitude and longitude, and the Google Maps API will like snap it to a Street View location. So it'll look at the nearest Street View location and snap it.
Your sampling?
Oh, but
That's tough.
Hmm?
I feel like this is definitely feasible to finish today. This is
wait,
very tough.
my sampling is pretty random, or it's just uniform,
Yeah,
randomly uniform.
It
It's not like-
looks mad uniform. Yeah.
Yeah, wait, it's like I'm glad it's like this uniform though. If we do like,
Yo, that happens so
Oh,
tough.
let's see, like, I don't know.
Yeah, do
If we do like 1,000, if we do 1,000, we get such good points. But getting all that data is hard. Let's keep it at 500. Let's go like Japan. Japan's kind of
Japan.
tough, bro.
This is tough. This is very tough.
Yeah, wait, it's cool how they have like the islands kind of. Well, but I don't even know if Google
Wait,
Maps
okay,
has coverage. There.
So let's run a little like litmus test right now. How many points of data do you think we can get for our whole experiment? Like 25k maybe? Like 5 people's accounts?
Wait, isn't it 50k over 4? Okay, if we have 5 people's accounts including me and you, that's 50k over 4.
Wait,
Um,
it's 10k per?
Isn't it 10k per people? 5k is
I
kind of
forgot.
Yeah, but
Alright, so yeah, so 12,500. I'll look at Japan right now. 12,500 times Japan is J is like.
So are you using your
yeah.
formula?
Dang it.
So
Japan
12,500.
is. Oh, Japan doesn't have that much area.
Well, yeah, area's not the. I think area's not the greatest. And I don't know actually.
But it has a big population, so I think it kind of balances out.
I think there should be slightly. I was gonna say I think there should be slightly more emphasis on population, but I'm not sure.
Oh, sure, I can do that for you. No, I'll just multiply
I
right
don't-
now.
Wait, no, I don't know. We should test it. Like we should test it a bunch and see what parameters we're.
Wait,
Shit.
how do you? Since they're being multiplied, there's not really a way to. Oh no, there already is more emphasis on population because I did a square root of area.
Oh, okay.
But it's multiplied anyway. No, but yeah, the only way to handle that is to do powers. Yeah, because you can't multiply it in a product. Okay, so Japan will have 170 images, I think. Yeah, so run your Japan thing with 170.
170.
That seems kind of slim, but I don't know.
It's pretty slim. Like,
Oh wait, no,
Like, I mean-
I'm happy with that actually. I'm alright with that.
it's not. It's not. I mean, it's pretty slim. Cause I mean, obviously, it looks like it's covering a lot, but the dots are like a lot bigger than like. Is there a way I can make the dots smaller?
No,
Is it Z or?
I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at how many dots there are, and there's already like 50 on, not 50, like 35 on Hokkaido. That's fine.
Yeah, that's pretty good. What would like do a smaller country? What would like
Okay, do a. Let me think.
what's the calculation for
Let's do Malta. Do you
Lesotho?
have Malta?
I think
Malta is.
not 170. Like
Malta has 65 points. Okay, Malta's not a big place, bro. That definitely learns the place.
yeah. Hopefully. I mean, we don't need 5. We could easily get like 10 people, bro. Like, and I'm willing to pay people like $5 if like.
Well, yeah,
actually,
sure.
wait, why would I even? Like, it's paying people $5 to give us 10K is much better than.
Yeah.
Or I don't know how the calculation is.
I'd be willing to pay up to like $30 a person. I can't lie. I don't care. It's like fixed gains versus like long-term gains. Like, okay, getting a JOB, right? Like,
I feel that.
yeah.
Wait, this is tough. Matplotlib is so fucking broken. It's actually so. I like barely just started learning Matplotlib, so this is like insanely hyped. Can't lie.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to my club thing in like 10-ish minutes, but
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna just finish my function, get it sorted.
Wait, no worries.
Alright, yeah. I'll definitely. I'll see you at somewhere near 8, maybe. Oh, it's good.
Oh, Ivy Lee.
Uh, Yeah, so I'm gonna research how we can work with OpenAI's bottlenecks. So what did I do in my test experience? I used a Hugging Face like pre-hosted model of this transformers. Yo, I have an interesting idea.
Yeah.
So, you know how we're kind of like scared to like fully implement our thing, or like there's a lot of design decisions that we have to make about like the model, and I don't know if they're gonna work like properly. So, my idea is we have it do like a binary classification at first. We ask it if this is like fucking like France or like Spain or something, I don't know. And then we do like these little mini experiments and mini fine tunings locally, and then tune our model on that, and then we learn like what's good through that. So like for example, one thing is like, you know how my labels were like just the country name itself?
Yeah.
What if we, instead of doing the country name itself, we did a photo of, and then the country name itself?
Wait, what
That
do you
would
mean
be
a photo?
Like, instead of naming, because currently the model like kind of understands how like the connection between text and images, right? So
Mm-hmm.
if I give it like the name of the country itself versus the string, a photo of this country, a photo of Spain or whatever, that could be like better performance wise. So I'm
If
gonna
we just give it the country name itself.
Yeah, or well, versus giving it the country name itself. Like those kind of experiments are what I'm trying to run on. Like I want to run them, but it would be difficult to like train the whole model and then like for every time I want to test an experiment, right? So
Oh, I guess.
I wonder if
Wait, so the
like,
model
it's kind of
takes
OD
in
is the
not-
issue.
Wait, so the model doesn't just take in an image as input; it takes in image and text. That's like metadata, basically.
Yes, but because we didn't want to fully copy the paper and because we're like chuds, I believe we elected not to do the metadata. Like as an like there's no text as an input, but there is text as an output still. Well, I mean that's the classification,
Oh
right?
yeah. Oh yeah, I do remember. I mean, wait,
Yes,
what text
so
did they use to
I'll-
train? Like, did they straight up just tell them
So
like?
they trained a separate model to turn the image into a photo. Like, for example, if you have a photo of like Chicago in the winter, they had a separate model
Yeah.
generate a string saying this is Chicago, this is the winter, or whatever, and it's like they also trained it to say like this car is driving on the left or whatever, and then they input all those metadatas into there and it improved the performance by like I believe it was one of the better performing features, but it wasn't like one of the best ones. Well, the best
Wait,
ones
I'm
were
down
like
to
the
try.
panorama and shit.
Yeah.
Mm,
Wait, I'm down to try it because like, but like,
I
I
kinda
think
wanna
for
give-
now we should just.
yeah,
focus-
I think we're
I
on the
think
same
that's
wavelength.
something
We should
we
get the
could
MVP working
implement
first. Yeah.
I think our code is pretty modular to the point where we could like, implement that after
Later.
we get our MVP.
Yeah, MVP is good first. Never mind.
It's not as yeah.
Experiments
I
can
don't
come
know.
later though.
Wait, but I like that, and also I don't think the experiments would take long because we don't have like we're not working with like a million images, like tens
Yeah.
of thousands.
But
Like
the,
it'll be an hour.
the point of the experiment is to scale down, but I think it'd take me a while to write. So I'm gonna do it later.
I mean, I don't know. You could.
I want enough to talk about it. I want enough for an interview first, and then we can expand.
Yeah, same.
Alright, bet.
I want to be able to be.
We are in agreement.
Okay.
Multimodal.
Yeah, I'm gonna just watch the videos on clip and then. Well, I have my club meeting right now, so I'll be gone for a bit.
Oh,
Then
okay,
I'll be
that's
back
true.
in a bit.
Yeah. Wait, no worries. I don't know if I'll let you